This is going to be my first YouTube video, and I decided to make it on my new finished craft room. People on my blog have seen pictures, but I had to pick something for a first video. As you walk in, here's two mixed media projects that I've done. Here's a general overview of my room. Then, as you see at the top there, I have two additional mixed media projects. There's a shelf over the door, and I decided to put a curtain over my closet rather than a door. Here's a We Are Memory Keepers cart full of stuff, my sewing machine and general desk area. And then here are some stamps and dies, along with some mixed media projects and supplies, and just decorations with my pegboard and all the stuff. I do have a window bird feeder that I get to watch the birds sometimes when they feel like eating. Underneath you'll see a bunch of storage along with my 12 by 12 paper and some mixed media mediums, along with two gutter shelves that I got as an idea from the Clutter Fairy, I believe, on YouTube. Here's some more stamps and dies and general decoration. As you glance back towards my work area, you can see my pink chair that I love, and some more drawers with ink. A dog pillow, in case my dog decides to come in and visit me. My embossing machines and glimmer machine. A laminator, my photo area. All my printers. Up top are some more decorations and stamps and dies from Stampin' Up. Down below are some more papers and supplies. We have a table that I collaged for if I have my mom over to craft with me. And then we have a dresser, multi-sized drawers that I love with inks on top, and another We Are Memory Keepers wheel tray as you exit the room. I hope this video was okay.